Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? Dreamed of sharing your unique perspective, your creativity, or your expertise with the world? Well, you're certainly not alone. Every day, thousands of people just like you take the plunge and launch their very own corner of the internet on YouTube. The journey from idea to reality can seem daunting, but fear not. This guide will walk you through the process, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps. First, take a moment to think about what you want to share with the world. What are your passions, your skills, your unique insights? This will form the foundation of your YouTube channel. It's crucial to pick something that you love and are genuinely interested in. Authenticity shines through, and viewers can tell when you're passionate about your subject matter. Next, you'll need to create your YouTube account. This is straightforward and only requires a Google account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the YouTube homepage and click on the avatar icon in the top right corner. From there, select Create a Channel. You'll then have the option to use your name or create a custom name. Remember, this name will represent your brand, so choose wisely. Once your account is live, it's time to start customizing your channel. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Upload a channel icon and banner that represents your brand. This is the first thing viewers will see when they visit your channel, so make it count. Next, fill out the About section. This is your chance to introduce yourself and your channel to the world. Make it engaging, informative, and fun. Let viewers know what they can expect from your channel. Now you're ready to start creating content. This is the heart of your YouTube channel. Whether you're sharing DIY tutorials, commentary on current events, or your latest travel adventure, make sure your videos are high quality and engaging. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly uploading new content keeps viewers coming back for more. Try to set a schedule and stick to it, but don't sacrifice quality for quantity. It's better to have one fantastic video a week rather than 5 mediocre ones. Once your videos are ready to go, don't forget about optimization. Titles, descriptions, and tags are all crucial for helping viewers find your content. Use relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. Finally, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. This not only helps to build a loyal following, but also boosts your channel's visibility in the YouTube algorithm. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own YouTube channel. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So go forth, create, and share your unique voice with the world. The YouTube universe is waiting for you.